This is your homework. I said in class that I would do this one, because some students were still having trouble. I was trying to help as much as I could. Okay, HAD. I'm going to start with this triangle first. EMD right there. EMD. So EMD. Nope. E to M to D. Cross that. Okay, and that is 6 and 10. And then close. You see, I even have remind stuff that I need to do, pay stuff to do Google Classroom no later than now. Okay, that and A to D right there, and then that triangle there. Okay, so that triangle, that, and okay, let's make that straighter. Okay, it's HAD. That was EMD. Okay, we know this is 20 right here. And we know this, therefore we need to know this, the corresponding side. We don't know the whole thing because this part is missing right here. That part is missing, so we call this X. Therefore we put X equals to AD. And whatever our answer is, we minus it to 10. So X minus 10. X minus 10 is for MD. This piece right here. Kids have a hard time with us. I don't know why. This piece. That piece is 10. Sorry, it's this piece. X minus 10 is that piece. Okay, and then we do proportions, ratios, proportions, corresponding proportions. Not scales. Okay, so let's start with 6 and 10. 6 and 20, I mean. 6 over 20, there equals to 10 over X. Cross multiply. 6 to X is 6X. 20 to 10 is 200. Divide by 6, divide by 6. X then is I think it's a repeating number. Yep, 33 and a third. 33 and 1/3. So AD is 33 and a third. 33 with 3 repeating. Therefore, if I take that number, 33.333333333, oh, this minus the 10, 23.33333. MD is 23.3 repeating. Not MD, so sorry. So wrong. Oh, no. AD, AM. This point is called AM right there. MD is 10. What am I thinking? AM is 23 with 3 repeating. Oops. That's it. And put inches in the back. What is the length of each? Okay, we did that. We did this in class. And we did these in class. I hope you know how, which most students know how to do. I think I'm going to go over this in class later. And this one too. I think it's, okay, determine which length is hypotenuse. 15, 26, 20, 10, 25, 39. Hypotenuse is the largest number, okay? Calculate the hypotenuse of, okay, this is again what we've been doing in class. I'll do one just in case kids aren't absent and didn't know what to do. This is called the legs, A and B. The legs hold up the 90-degree angle. And this one is C, is called the hypotenuse. It's the longest length. So, and I like to put hypotenuse or diagonal for C, or slanted. So this way I can do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's my formula. And then I put 24 for A and 18 for B. Bring down the squared, bring down the plus, bring down the C squared. C squared I put diagonal squared. Okay, 24 times 24, or 24 squared, is 576 plus 18 times 18, which is 324. Add them all up, you get D squared. 576 equals to 900. 900 is a perfect square. Now D squared. Now we only have one one diagonal. Squared means there's two of them. To get one, you have to take the square root. Square root of D squared is D to the first, right? Or just D. Square root of that is 30. It's a perfect square. It's a rational number. Okay? And you do that for this one too. And you do that for the lamp and the ladder. And you do that for the how long should the support beam be? Now, what I need you to do though, how long does the ladder must the ladder reach to reach the top of the lamp post? You need to answer that. The ladder needs to be a complete sentence. Word problems, all the word problems always come with a complete sentence. Don't forget that. Answer the question. Have to answer that. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, make sure you answer this and understand what it's saying here. Okay, simplify this. I'll go over in class because I think a lot of people won't get it. They'll do Pythagorean theorem and that'll be the answer. Okay, just a refresher. This question next week there'll be a unit test. So next week or the following week? I think the following week is a unit test. Now all this old stuff will come back, okay? And most students seem to understand it. M to the 7th means you got M to the 3rd, 3 pairs of M with M left. Okay, 48, we got 4 times 12. 4 times 3. Oh, look, the 4 has 1. Then the square root. So 48 is 4, the square root of 3. So 3 goes here, 4 goes here. That's our answer. This one here, h to the 8th, it's h to the 4th. You get 4 groups if you forget. Oh my gosh, I'll do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, none left over, so the radical's empty. 36 is 6 times 6. And then this one, that's -2 times 9 times 5. This is 3 times 3. So you get 3 as an answer here. And there's nothing for 5. -6 radical 5. Okay, and I'll let you finish D. Okay, simplified to the nearest 10th will be on the next unit test. Okay, so here's how you guess. You need to find 2 perfect square between square root of 60, where 60 would lie at 49 and 64. So your answer is between 7 and 8. So guess anywhere there. It's closer to 64, so I'm going to count numbers that are closer. 7.1. I know it's more than 7.5, so let's count 7.5. 7.1 all the way to 7.5. Let's not write all of it. And then it's 7.6, 7.7, 7.8, 7.9. So I'm guessing 7.6. Okay, so you need to do the work. Square root of 60 is at 7.6. 7.6 times 7.6, 36, carry 3, 45, 42, carry 4, 49, 53, 5, 7, 7, 6. That's pretty close. No, actually, that's kind of far. Did I do something wrong? Let's see, 36 carry 3, 42, 45, 42 carry 4. It's kind of far away. 7.8. Let's do 7.8. Gosh, 62. 56 carry 5. 49, 54. That's over. 5, 6, 0, 8, 4. 60.84. 7 times 7. 7.7 times 7.7. The answer is that's 21 away, and this is 84 away. So this one is so actually you put the square root of 60 is equal to 7.7. 20 is the same. 20 is between 16, the square root of 16, and the square root of 25. Smack in the middle. So I'll choose 5.5. I mean 4.5. I'm choosing from 4 to 5. So I'm going to choose 5.5, 5.6, 5.7. It won't be more than that. It'll be 5, 5, 5, 6, or 5, 4. I'm going to start with, could be 5, 4. Start with that. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. 5.5 times 5.5. 25 carried 2, 27. 25 carried 2, 27. Third. That can't be right. I must have done something wrong. Oh, because it's 4. 4 to 5, not 5 to 6. Oh my gosh. 4.4, 4.5. See? 4.6, 4.7. Don't do anything when you're extremely tired. You make a lot of mistakes and sit in and fall asleep. Horrible. Start with 4.5 first. Carry 2. Is this much over? So the square root of 20 is most likely 4.5, but let's check. It went over, so I'm going to choose 4. Hold on. Went over by 25, so I'm going to check 4.4. 6. 9. Okay, that is 64 away. So 4.5 is better. And that's how you do it. I'll leave 91 to you. And these are all solving equations. Okay, I hope by now you guys know how to solve these. Let me do the fraction ones. Okay, so because some of you are still having a hard time. I would just eliminate them right away. So I would multiply all of them by the least common denominator, which is 8, times 8 here also. Okay, that's negative 3, parentheses, 6x minus 6. That's 2. 2 times this 3 is 6. And this is negative 48x. Oh God, I'm so tired. You guys know how to finish the rest, right? Distribute, remember additive inverse, that's positive 18. And then make it equal to 0, the biggest one, the lowest number. This is 30, positive. And then you minus 18, and your answer is one solution, okay? God, I can't handle this. I'm so tired. Finish it. You guys should know how to do this by now. If not, see me at lunch. I have to quit.